discover the ultimate solution for your fastening needs: wall padding installation with screws. This method combines strength and convenience, offering you a seamless experience like no other. The screws provide a rock-solid hold, ensuring your wall padding stays firmly in place, even under heavy use. You can complete the process quickly, saving you both time and effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer, you'll appreciate the straightforward nature of this installation method. Say goodbye to loose-fitting wall padding and hello to a secure,